Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to a cool song here from MGK and Trippie Redd. It's called Lost Boys. Alright, so we had this cool melody going on here. And you know what? We're gonna do that with the drop D tuning. Alright, so what is that? Yeah, if you notice here, the last E string is dropped to a D tuning. And what is that? You can watch a YouTube tutorial to learn how to tune down the E string to a D. What it basically is that the standard tuning is somewhere here. All right, so what you do here, you try to match this E string with the D string here and get it down. It's usually like a quarter turn towards you to release the string so it gets darker. So with that you have tuned down the guitar to a D tuning, all right? There we have it. All right, so with that we're gonna look at this melody. It's actually pretty easy, so let's do that. So yeah, we have 4 different grips here. So I will go right into the grips and teach you how to play this. All right, so we have the same kind of rhythm here in the song, just different grips and notes to handle. So the first grip here will be what I will call the G. So this is now the G note, not usually at this place, but since it's tuned down to D, this will be a G note now. It looks like this, so it will be 5th on E string, 5th on A, and 4th on D. All right, I will still call this the E string so it's easier for you to understand where we are, even if it's now the D string. We have 2 D strings, but now it's E still. So 5th on this bass note here, the 5th D, sorry. So that will be now the E string. So 5th on the E string, 5th on A, and 4th on D. Okay, so you're gonna play pretty much like this. All right, so I alternate. What I do, I use my fingers only. I haven't used a pick in many years, so I'm using my fingers. I'm alternating with my thumb here, and I pick with my index and mid finger to answer kind of style here. So you're gonna play 5th E, sorry, like that, and then you play the 5th A and 4th D together. Then you play 2 times on the 5th E, and then 5th A and 4th D together once. That is 1 round, so. And that is the rhythm, so. All right, that is how you play it. So 1 of these rounds, and then you go over to the B grip. And what you do here, you just play a finger crossing the 3 strings, the same E, A, and D string on the 9th fret. All right, so just a bar like this, short little bar, and you're gonna play the same pattern here. So you're gonna play the E string on the 9th fret, and then 9A and 9D together once, and then 2 times on the 9th E string, and 1 time A and D together on the 9th position. That is the B part. So far. Then we have the D. And what you do here is just to place a finger on the 4th fret D string. You're gonna follow the same pattern here. You're gonna use the E string, the open E string now, once, and then you answer with open A and 4th D together once, and 2 times on the open E string, and then open A and 4th D together once. All right. And then you're gonna stay at this position and you're gonna play and split this pattern, so to speak. You're gonna play open E string and open A and 4th D once. Still here on the same D grip. And then you go to this A grip and play that part, which is the open A and then second D and open G together. That ends the round. So we had first the G, 1 round, and we had the B then, 1 round, and then we had the D, 1 round, and then you still play on the D, open E string and open A, 4th D together, and then you go to the A and play open A string and then second D and open G together. And that is how you handle it. I'm gonna take you through 1 round of this slowly so you understand what's going on, and then I'm gonna speed up the tempo to somewhere at the standard tempo. So let's go. And like this, standard. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers the song Lost Boys. So hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. I really try my best to educate you guys and give you some cool new songs, and yeah, that's what I'm all about here. So support me here, and until next time, play tuned.